The Internet is a global network that connects millions of private, public, academic, business, and government networks. It allows computers and other devices to communicate with each other, share information, and access a vast array of resources. To understand how the Internet works, let's break it down into simpler concepts. At its core, the Internet is a system of interconnected networks. Imagine it as a giant web of highways and roads connecting cities and towns. Each network, or node, can be thought of as a specific location on this web. The nodes are connected by physical cables, satellites, and other technologies that transmit data from one place to another. When you use the Internet, your computer or smartphone connects to a local network, such as your home Wi-Fi or a cellular network. This local network is then connected to a larger network, known as an Internet Service Provider, ISP. ISPs are companies that provide access to the Internet, and they connect to even larger networks, forming a vast network of networks. The Internet uses a set of rules and protocols to ensure that data is transmitted accurately and efficiently. Two key protocols are the Transmission Control Protocol, TCP, and the Internet Protocol, IP. The Internet Protocol, IP, is like an address system. Every device connected to the Internet has a unique IP address, which identifies where data should be sent. This is similar to how a postal address works for mail. IP addresses can be either IPv4 or IPv6, with IPv6 providing a larger number of addresses due to the growing number of devices. Transmission Control Protocol, TCP, ensures that data is sent and received accurately. When you send data over the Internet, it's broken into smaller packets. These packets travel independently across the network and may take different routes to reach their destination. TCP ensures that all packets arrive correctly and are reassembled in the right order, just like putting together pieces of a puzzle. Data on the Internet is also organized using something called packet switching. Instead of sending data as a continuous stream, it's divided into smaller packets. Each packet may take a different route to the destination and can be reassembled by the receiving device. This method is efficient because it allows multiple packets to travel simultaneously, optimizing network usage. When you visit a website, your device sends a request to the server hosting that site. This request is sent using the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP, or its secure version, HTTPS. HTTP is the protocol used for transferring web pages and other resources. The server processes your request, retrieves the necessary data, and sends it back to your device. This process happens so quickly that it seems almost instantaneous. Websites are made up of various elements, including text, images, and multimedia. These elements are written in a language called HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, and styled using CSS, cascading style sheets. JavaScript, another language, can be used to add interactivity to websites. When you access a website, your browser downloads these files from the server and displays them on your screen. Domain names are another important aspect of the Internet. Instead of remembering complex IP addresses, we use domain names like www.example.com. Domain Name System, DNS, servers translate these domain names into IP addresses so that your device can locate the correct server. This process is similar to looking up a phone number in a contact list. Security on the Internet is crucial due to the sensitive nature of the data being transmitted. Various technologies and protocols are in place to protect information. HTTPS, for example, encrypts data exchanged between your browser and the website, making it difficult for others to intercept or read the information. Firewalls, antivirus software, and secure connections help protect your devices from malicious attacks and unauthorized access. The Internet is also supported by a wide range of infrastructure, including data centers, which house servers that store and process information. These data centers are spread across the globe and work together to handle the immense amount of data traffic. Content Delivery Networks, CDNs, are another component that helps improve the speed and reliability of content delivery by distributing copies of data across various locations. In addition to traditional wired connections, the Internet also relies on wireless technologies. Wi-Fi, for example, uses radio waves to connect devices to a local network, while cellular networks use similar technology to provide internet access on mobile devices. Satellites can also be used to provide internet access in remote areas where traditional infrastructure is not available. The development of the internet has had a profound impact on society. It has revolutionized communication, enabling people to connect instantly across the globe through email, social media, and messaging apps. It has transformed industries, from entertainment and retail to education and healthcare, by providing new ways to access and share information. The internet is constantly evolving, with ongoing advancements in technology and infrastructure. Innovations such as 5G networks, the Internet of Things, IoT, and artificial intelligence are shaping the future of the internet. 5G networks promise faster speeds and lower latency, while the IoT connects everyday objects to the internet, allowing them to communicate and share data. Artificial intelligence is being used to improve search engines, enhance cybersecurity, and create more personalized experiences online. In summary, the internet is a complex system of interconnected networks that enables devices to communicate and share information. It relies on a set of protocols and technologies to ensure data is transmitted accurately and efficiently. From domain names and IP addresses to security measures and infrastructure, the internet is a vast and dynamic network that continues to shape the modern world. Like and subscribe for more videos. Comment next topic which you want. Thanks for watching.